Alrighty guys, welcome back to the Combustion Guys YouTube channel, and today we're going to build out and hunt out the best deal on the 2025 Buick Envista. Let's see what we got. Alrighty guys, so it looks like we got ourselves three different models. So we got the Preferred, the 4-wheel drive, Sport Touring 4-wheel drive, and also the Avenue 4-wheel drive. Let me also step back here for a second. I think I saw something else. Sport Touring? Yep, okay, so that's what that is. Let's switch to 2024 here real quick, and let's see what these trim levels were. And we actually had... Yep, same trim levels right there. Very good. Alrighty, so just wanted to double check that. Double check that we had all the information. So let's start off looking at the Preferred. So looking at the exterior here, we got ourselves the Ocean Blue Metallic, which is a very nice looking color. We got Summit White. Not one of my favorites. The Ebony Twite Metallic, basically black, looks really good. The Cinnabar Metallic, also known as red. You got the Moonstone Gray Metallic, definitely a very nice looking color there. And Copper Ice Metallic, which gets you some orange going on there, which that makes the thing look very good. Looking at wheel options, we only got one set of wheel options and tires, so that's all we get there. We can go with the black interior or go with the slate interior. So we'll go ahead and select that. Oh, so there you go. So that what that does is gives you some highlights. So basically it's that right there, and then this right here just gives you a little bit of a highlight in the interior, which actually I kind of prefer. It looks good that way. We can also get the two-way power lumbar by selecting the convenience package. So there we go, got some lumbar support now in those seats. Steering wheel material, all that is selected. Moving on to the packages, we had the advanced safety packages to get you your adaptive cruise control, rear cross traffic alert, lane changes alert, and side blind zone alert, along with yep, that's all that is, so we can skip that. Convenience package 2 right here. This gets you the rain sense, automatic wipers, wireless device charging, power lift gate. That's all that is. Don't need any of those, so that saves us by not selecting any of those about a little over $1,000. So what this gets us is the 8-way power lumbar seat, 2-way power lumbar driver controls, so 8-way power seat, 2-way lumbar for the driver, keyless open and start, which we probably would not use, more than likely, but apparently that's there. Heated driver and front seats, definitely not using those in Florida very often. Flat bottom wrapped steering wheel, that's nice, and also flat bottom heated steering wheel, so the steering wheel is heated, so, and those are the options right there. But that seat's definitely nice to be able to have and adjust with 8 different ways of doing that. Alright, then we got the rain sense wipers, that's an add-on. We got power lift gate, that's an add-on, obviously with the packages. We got a $40 front license plate if you would need that. Engine block heater, don't really need that in Florida. And we can only get this thing tent, the sports SUV tent. Is that a tent, or is that tent as in the windows? Oh, it's actually a ground tent. Okay, don't need that, but that's cool. You can get a tent, so trying to get a little bit of on the Subaru bandwagon, sounds like. So there's what our car looks like right there. Doesn't look too bad. I had to change the outside color because we changed the interior, so that's how that works. Going back to the trim, let's go to the Sport Touring. There we go. So that's going to cost us about $2,000 more to get to that option. We got all of the same colors except for one new color, and that is the Aquamarine Blue Metallic, which I have to admit is, yeah, big fan of that. So we'll definitely go with that one. We got 18-inch black painted wheels, or we can go with the 19s. So there's your 18s right there. We'll switch to the 19s, which also adds a Experience Buick package. There we go. So that kind of looks like an added turbine. Our tire options, you got the 18-inch all season, so nothing really changes there. Got wheel locks if you want those. We got the ebony seats with blue stitching with the ST on the seats. It looks very nice. This is your leatherette, so not necessarily leather, but leather-like seats. Look good. Seat type, we can get the same two-way lumbar. All of those options included. Go ahead and add those, and then steering wheel, that's all included there as well. Then here your packages, you got the Experience Buick package, that's your power moonroof, the Watts Link System rear suspension, so we get a rear suspension upgrade in the back. Nice. Get you a little bit more sporty feel to it. Don't really need either of those packages once again, so we can skip those. What do we get? So we get the power moonroof. The helps provide a sure-footed, quiet, and isolated ride experience. May require additional optional equipment. We also got the seasonal tires, and all features included. So that's all of that. Very good. Looking at the options, we got our rain sense, automatic wipers. All of these, once again, options that you can add on, and then we can also once again get that tint. So right now you're looking at 28,180. Yep, so 28,180 is what you're looking at for this particular thing. It looks good though. I like it. It looks really, really nice. Alright, back to trims here. We'll go to the Avenue. I don't know how you pronounce that, but anyways. The high luxury trim model. And we got basically, once again, all the same colors. We also got a white tri-coat, white frost tri-coat. Yep, that's what we got there. Go with yeah, the dark blue for luxury usually is the best one to go with on those. We only got one wheel, and that's the nickel aluminum, so nothing we can really add on there. We got the very nice with orange stitching seats right there, leather, very good. Or we can go to the pebble gray seats. Yeah, we'll stay with the black. I mean, it gives you a nice two-tone in the interior, but I'm not a fan of light colored seats really. Just not really my thing. We got the safety advanced package, so this gets you rain sense automatic wipers, your heated power adjustable outside mirrors, your adaptive cruise control, real traffic, lane change alert, all features included. Don't need any of those options. We got body color painted splash guards. Got those added on. Always like a good splash guard, and that's going to put you at $29.97. So we haven't even hit 30,000, which you add in taxes and all that probably will be. So, but that's not terrible. Now let's just check back here. Let's go to the Envista here. Let's go to the 2024 model, and let's check out and see what options were available on the split touring on this one. You got yourself the 1.2 liter turbo engine with Ecotech, 6-speed automatic transmission. That's your power details there. So we did have a sunrise red metallic available with the ST model, so obviously that's switched to the blue color for 2025, so that's one difference you can notice there. Wheels, very pretty wheels right there. Looks like those have remained the same for the 2 years, so that hasn't changed. The blue stitch interior, that stayed the same. I'm just seeing if there's any major differences in options. Mechanical options, once again you get that Watts Link rear suspension, engine block heater, cargo management. You had a lot more cargo management options here. That'll probably be added on at some point for the 25 model. So that's about all that's there. But looking at that, kind of spec'd out to what I'd want, 26,000, so still under 30,000. So definitely like to see that. Let's go with the preferred, just see what differences there might have been on that. As I said, that sunrise metallic, that's about the one and only thing that was really different from the two models. Oh, we did get an extra wheel option though. Here we got the bright silver kind of two-tone wheel. So that was an 18 over 17. So that's a 2024 only option. So I thought that there was a major difference, and that's definitely one of them. And then you can see got about the same color option right there Seat type, that's all about the same. That's all about the same. Convenience package, all of that's the same. Options, yep, so that's really all the same from 2024 to 25, other than the color and the extra wheel option you have on the preferred, which is definitely very interesting. You only had 5 color options on the high luxury model. You only had 1 wheel option for the luxury model. You had same options there for all of that, and then yep, so everything about the same as the 2025 model. So definitely, I'm liking the idea of the redone rear suspension. So I'm kind of interested in that. I mean, it's kind of interesting. I kind of like it because it's kind of going after that BMW style that was going on for a little while. Basically, a sedan that's an SUV. And that was a fascinating looking vehicle. I think Buick did a much better job at designing it. It looks a little bit too much like a Toyota Crown though, but it doesn't look bad. So I'm definitely interested in what those cars can do, that's for sure, but they look good. So anyways, that is the Buick Envista 2024 and 2025 models, and definitely like how they look. And honestly, the 2024 models had kind of a few more options for you to be able to check out. Obviously, you had an extra color red right there that you could do, and then for the just the base model, you had a very nice color wheel right there with the, yeah, I mean, that just looked good. Two-tone machined aluminum wheels. Nice. Anyways, that's it for us today, guys. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys here next time on the Combustion Guys. Bye-bye.